Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dairy door in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dairy door. This dairy door is located in the middle of the fresh food door. The door covers the shelf that is commonly used for storing butter and cheeses. The main reason to replace the dairy door is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dairy door, we need to squeeze it from the side to release that from the hinge and slide this out and here we are. This is the old dairy door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new dairy door, we need to place this opening over the hinge on the left side. Then bring the opposite side in, push it in, and install it on the hinge on the right side. Now we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.